Me being the lovely person I am, I've decided to stop everything I'm working on right now to work on a new GLMV, most because I think the song needs more recognition. Disclaimer, everything that happens in this GLMV isn't real. I just like the song. To be fair though, it's a pretty great song. Oh, the song is I Fall Apart by Hyde? I don't know how to say it. Anyway, I tried to find a GLMV of the song, but it was all Post Malone. But the GLMV should be out soon. Hope you'll have a great night or day. Bye! Me being the lovely person I am, I've decided to stop everything I'm working on right now to muck this up.